Hi, I'm gonna make my first YouTube video. Hope y'all like it. I'm gonna be riding my little brother's bike. He's 6 years old, and the bike is like 6 inches tall. It's like not even the size. It's like, anyways, I can speak today. I'm gonna try and do some stuff on it, and all what I will be wearing is a jacket, shorts, and a t-shirt. Plus shoes and socks. Anyways, I'll be holding the phone while I do this, so please enjoy. Alright, give me the bike.
But this time we're done. I'm gonna ride bike. You're going to show me on me, okay? See how fast I'm going, okay?
Sure. Alright, put this on so it don't hurt my fragile head. Alright, let's do this. Move. Ah, freak. This is hard. Oh my god. This hurts. This hurts. This hurts. This hurts. Oh god. Ah. Alright. Hold it. Alright. You have to make it look at me, okay? Alright. Well, the wheelie doesn't work.
Yeah, it only works for me.
Alright, no, you can't do it. Alright, I'm gonna go that way, okay?
Okay.
Oh god. Can't see with this. Oh god. Don't ever do this. Oh my balls. Make sure to subscribe, please like. And later tonight, maybe I'll be drinking ketchup and salt. Bye. I'm done. Alright, get out of the road. Alright, fine, I will. Just hold on.